I'm going to be reviewing this red light therapy torch. I was sent this to review, so thank you for that. This is something I was not sure of for a long time. I come across a lot of things in the fitness industry that claim all kinds of benefits, and most of them don't work. And recently, I've had this ongoing foot issue that I cannot get any relief for. I was using a red light therapy gun, like a big high-powered unit, and I've seen a ton of relief myself with using that in my foot. If I don't use it every week, it tends to go away. I'm not able to use that one every week. So when I was given the opportunity to try to review this, I was going to go for it and see if an at-home unit can provide some amount of relief, and I'm going to be using that over the next few weeks to let you know. But first, we're going to show what comes in the box. It comes with this nice carrying case and everything else here. We have the glasses, which you need to wear when using it, the actual torch right here, and it comes with a charger, USB, and then the batteries go right in here. The two batteries in this little carrying case here, which are rechargeable, and this strap so you don't lose it. You can see it all comes very nicely packaged. It has 3.7 volts of output. It has the LED life expectancy of 50,000 hours, has an auto timer to do it for 5 minutes at a time, 4 watts of power capacity, 25 mAh. You know, it's rated, you know, if the charger is, you know, it's rated for DC 5 volt output for the red light therapy and 500 milliamp right there. So I'm going to go ahead and charge these batteries up and try to use the unit. I'm going to report back after a little bit on how it's been helping me. So here is the little red laser light. Get these cool glasses which make everything green so the light won't affect you. You can see it shines down like this, and it has a 5-minute timer. I've been using a clinical one for a while, and I don't always have access to it, and it's expensive, but I have found that this is helping a little bit because I'm able to use it a few times a day. I've mostly been using it on my foot and ankle because I have a cyst down there that, you know, and it gets inflamed, and then my foot hurts, and it's been helping with that. It's not a magic cure, but it's just another tool in your toolbox of recovery things. I'm going to take these glasses off. You know, for the money, it's a great thing to use. It's a great thing to try. It may help you, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.